Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Surbi, and today I am going to do a setup for my Kindle because I love this and you can read unlimited books on this Kindle. This is Amazon Kindle 2022 edition, the basic one, 11th generation, and I just love this Kindle. I do read few books on this and the experience is amazing. You won't feel like you are reading on screen because it feels like you are reading on paper because the lighting is perfect, everything is perfect about this. So let's see how I did the setup.
When you start your Kindle, you will see this page where many languages are given and you have to choose your language. I have chosen English here, and then you will be asked to choose your region. I have chosen UK here, and you can choose US as well and click on next. Kindle will start loading everything, so you need to be patient because it might take 5 to 7 minutes, so you need to be patient enough, and then there will be few settings after that. Once the Kindle is loaded, you will see an option to set up your Kindle either by phone or through the Kindle itself. I have chosen the option to set up my Kindle through Kindle itself, and then there is an option to connect Wi-Fi. You can rescan to check if you have your Wi-Fi or not, and then you can give your password and you can connect to the Wi-Fi. Then you have an option to sign up through email ID and password and then start reading. Your library will take some time to load because yes, you need to connect to Wi-Fi and all the books will be loaded to your library within few minutes, so you have to patient in that also. Meanwhile, you can go through all the guides that is there. Kindle will then show a guide to you to proceed with it and to know how the Kindle works. You can click on next and then you can click on done so that you can start using your Kindle. You can click any book here. I have few books in my library and I have clicked one of the books from Prime Reading section, and it has started downloading. Once you click, it will start downloading itself and you do not have to do anything. Once it is downloaded, you have the option to open it. You have just to click it and it will open. So yeah, this is how you set up your Kindle.
So that's it for the video. If you want to see more videos of me finding new settings for my Kindle, then do let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, hit that like button, share the video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel because it is completely free and you will love the contents here. So subscribe. Bye bye.